Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Mario dog costume is probably one of the most adorable and fun ways to include your furry friend in your next themed party, Halloween celebration, or even just a playful photo shoot, transforming your beloved pet into the iconic plumber from the Mushroom Kingdom with an outfit that's sure to bring smiles and capture hearts, making them the star of any event. Number 5. DELIFUR Dog Cowboy Riding Costume. Putting on and taking off this costume is incredibly easy. Its clever hook and loop design ensures a quick and hassle-free experience for both you and your pet. Made from soft, breathable polyester and non-woven fabric, it ensures your pet stays comfortable. This cool design instantly transforms them into a humoristic cowboy rider. This costume is perfect for a wide range of small to medium dogs. Breeds such as Pugs, Maltese, and Corgis will look fantastic in it. It's ideal for weekend parties, Halloween, Christmas, and birthdays. You can also use it for weddings, parades, or memorable photo shoots. When selecting a size, prioritize chest and neck girth measurements. For instance, the X small fits dogs under 6 pounds, with specific chest and neck dimensions provided. What we like. This costume offers an easy on and off design, making dressing your pet a breeze. Its soft and breathable fabric ensures comfort for your furry friend during any event. If you're looking for a unique and humorous outfit that's simple to manage, this one is a fantastic choice for your pet's next party. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 4. Super Mario Bros. Mario riding Yoshi inflatable costume. Get ready for adventure with this officially licensed costume. It's perfect for Halloween, cosplay, or any themed party. Your child will love it. This unique inflatable suit recreates the beloved look of Mario riding Yoshi. They will step right out of the Super Mario Bros. Universe. It's instantly recognizable. Crafted from high-quality polyester, it ensures a comfortable fit for hours of play. A built-in fan provides continuous inflation, keeping them looking great. It's built to last. Dressing up is simple and efficient with this costume. Its battery-powered fan inflates it quickly, so your child can start their adventure without delay. Preparation is a breeze. This is ideal for group costumes, video game events, or simply showing off a love for Nintendo classics. Your child will be the star of any gathering. They'll cherish the experience. Bring the magic of Super Mario Bros. To life for your child. Give them an unforgettable experience with this fantastic costume. They'll be ready for any adventure. What we like. This officially licensed costume brings the iconic Mario and Yoshi duo to life with its unique inflatable design. The built-in fan ensures continuous inflation, keeping the costume looking great all event long. If you have a child who is a huge Super Mario fan and wants to stand out, this vibrant and fun option is perfect. What people say. Number 3. iChoue French Bulldog Dog Dinosaur Halloween Costume. Make your pet the center of attention with its unique cartoon style and incredible details. This costume ensures they'll be a shining star at any holiday show. Your fur baby deserves this awesome gift. This costume is specially designed for broad, short dogs. Its sizes are approved by French Bulldog models, ensuring a perfect fit for breeds like Pugs, English Bulldogs, and Boston Terriers. Experience exquisite workmanship with high-quality cotton fabric. It features fancy embroidery, hand-stuffed horns, and carefully sewn details, making it worth every penny. The classic zipper closure makes dressing your pet easy and secure. An extra layer prevents their hair from getting stuck, ensuring comfort and convenience. Choose from 6 available sizes to find the best fit for your dog. Remember to measure them carefully, and if they are between sizes, consider going one size up. What we like. This costume boasts an original dinosaur design, making your pet an instant star with its unique cartoon style. It's specially tailored for broad-chested dogs like French Bulldogs, ensuring a perfect and comfortable fit. If you have a barrel-chested dog and want a high-quality, adorable outfit that truly fits, this is an excellent pick. What people say. Number 2. RUBIE'S Pink Princess Pet Costume. Transform your beloved pet into a majestic princess with this enchanting costume. It comes complete with a beautiful dress and a sparkling tiara, perfect for any special occasion. This delightful set includes everything your furry friend needs to look regal. The elegant dress and matching tiara ensure they'll be the belle of the ball. Designed for extra-large pets weighing 30 to 45 pounds, it's important to check the size chart and video. Remember, these costumes often run smaller than regular apparel, so measure carefully for the best fit. Your pet will shine in this charming pink princess costume. It features a lovely gold bow and a regal crown, adding a touch of elegance to their look. Whether it's Halloween, a themed party, or just a fun day at home, this costume is perfect. Make every day an occasion and let your pet join in the festive spirit. RUBIE'S is dedicated to bringing joy and creativity to celebrations worldwide. They provide expertly crafted costumes and accessories for all your party needs. What we like. This adorable costume provides a classic princess look, complete with a dress and a matching tiara. It's designed for easy wear, making it simple to transform your pet into royalty. If you like timeless, charming outfits and want your pet to feel like a true princess, this elegant choice is ideal for any festive occasion. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points. Number 1. Yoshi Child Costume Kit. Ignite your child imagination with this exciting costume. It brings their favorite character to life for endless adventures. This kit allows your little one to embody a beloved hero. They'll love stepping into their new role. Perfect for Halloween, themed parties, or everyday dress-up. It's ready for any imaginative scenario. Designed for comfort and durability, it ensures hours of happy play. Your child can move freely and enjoy every moment. Watch their eyes light up as they become their favorite character. This kit helps create magical childhood memories. What we like. This costume kit focuses on the beloved Yoshi character, offering a simple yet effective accessory set. It's a versatile option that allows kids to easily embody their favorite dinosaur. If you are looking for a straightforward and recognizable character costume that's easy for a child to wear, this kit is a great choice for quick fun. What people say. No positive points found as the source reviews are empty. Please provide product reviews to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.